pagkalinga, kami po ay iyong loobin na magkaisa ang damdamin mula ngayon sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
Ang pag-ibig ay hindi lang kilig. Ang pag-ibig ay pinipili. Ang pag-ibig na pinipili ay pinapanagutan. At ang pag-ibig na pinipili ang siyang nananatili.
Another day without you here. Oh, wait lang! In my eyes,
Mukha daw magician. Go.
the taste of your embrace.
Love is not just feeling, it is a commitment. And you can show if your love is true by being true to your commitment as a couple, and as husband and wife, and later on as parents to your children.
A glimpse of forever in your eyes. I'm lost and I'm not trying.
Ivy, thank you. Thank you sa lahat. I love you. See you later.
Lay your head down onto my chest. Put those worries right back to rest. Where no one's around.
Ay, gagawin na. For more than 6 years of our relation, I only call you B. But now, in front of family, friends, and God, I can finally call you my wife.
Sino bang mag-aakala na yung nakasabay mo lang sa jeep before at hiningan mo ng Gatorade during election ay misis mo na ngayon?
Thank you for the best 6 years of my life. I look forward for the next 100 years with you, our children, our family. I love you, always and every day.
Today, I vow to love you unconditionally. Through thick and thin, I am always here to support you. Thank you for sharing your family with me. Salamat sa lahat ng pasensya mo, lalo na kapag tinutoyo ako.
me till the sun comes crashing through. I'll be the ears of the shoulder you need me to. Of the shoulder you need me to. Of the shoulder you need me to.
I am forever thankful that God gave me a man that will love me, respect me, and treasure me. Mahal na mahal kita, Mr. Ignacio.
At the count of 3, you may kiss the bride. Tayong lahat. 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan natin ang mga bagong kasal.